Hey everyone, Builder Dave here on site with our Deltaville project, and we're inside, or I'm inside of the elevator shaft. And to give some perspective of how these elevators come together, we have the lowered floor at the basement level for the bottom of the elevator to go down into. But early on, we have to get the large elevator shaft inside the house before we get all the drywall in. So we've brought the elevator shaft inside the house. And what's also really cool is the actual elevator carriage will be assembled on site inside of this whole elevator shaft. It is not brought in as a single unit, which is very cool because we can actually get the house all the way to drywall before we have to assemble the elevator carriage. We have an ICF wall with an oval shaped window. And one of the unique things we have to figure out is how do we trim the exterior with the hardy siding, and how are we going to trim the interior? So we actually went back to the custom shop that made our curved front porch, and they had to use a high pressure water to actually cut the concrete hardy boards in the oval trim around the outside. And on the interior, we will frame this out and then trim it uniquely so that when the drywall is finished, it'll have a rounded oval curvature on the inside as well. It'll look beautiful, but again, very custom, and a lot of effort goes into making this look beautiful when we're done. Thanks.